S&P 500.
It's your boy Jimmy. Jimmy.
Now what's worth doing is worth doing for money.
Straight from y'all street to Wall Street.
Anybody tells you money's the root of all evil doesn't make up.
Dudes wake up, hope their girl turned on so they can get a little bit. Only woman in the morning I wanna turn on this. Deck it quick. While the average man looking at it's sad like she fine as it. I'm over here looking at tails and whips like 5'6". I left the mayhem for the market. Now I don't want a dope spot, I want to stop it. I know that booty got dropped, triggered my stop losses, but I ain't got time for your wop. My V-wops crossing. Rich with hot V's and pushing hot strategy and plans to make grand. Still in my wife beater, Batman pajamas, house slides, and about 5 hot picks for the day. Cause I like the way the Dow bounces. 4 hot dips on call, so I got options. 2 with a lot of volume, 1 with a double bottle. Now I know dumb money don't understand. Am I talking about my trade or just thinking with my MACD? You see, we different in the way we move. You move with kittens and your dog, I move with bears and bulls. I got a green thought, grow with the marijuana. Waking up with the future, some commas. Jump out of bed, big profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, big profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. They used to watch me move them packs and now I watch moves in the NASDAQ. Profits. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETL, make profits. I jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, make profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. Yeah. See, me and Jim Cramer been talking mad money. Said today I'm taking a risk. They got the feds coming, but I got support here with me. I call a short squeeze. You get the drop, pull the trigger, and abort these. If she stay on my watch list, I might have to wife her. But I know better. I'm a true trading group lifer. Call up the Wolf of Weed Street. It's time to flip some profits. Go ahead, be hawking. Get your spot here. I'll double top that in the head and shoulders. Hit him up with this resistance. Watch him roll over. Cause I see John Wicks in contract. If I say I make $1 million a day, well, that's a large cap. You moving average, that's why you get crossed. Get split, get delisted, and knocked off. And I'm setting the whole block off. I'm buying GameStop and selling them roadblocks off. Jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, make profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. They used to watch me move them packs. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ. Profits. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETL. Hey, my family. Hey, go, what we doing, my man? Hey, make profits. Hey, Shug, Mike, what we doing? Hey, make profits. Yo, Wolf, Professor, what we doing? Make profits. That TTG money gang, we some snipers.
Hey, yo, what's up, everybody? What's going on, folks? Welcome to the True Trading Group live stream. Guys, my name is Michael Edward Paranani, and I go by Michael Edward. I'm the co-founder and head trader at True Trading Group. In case you didn't know, we were a Benzinga FinTech Awards finalist last year for Best Data Analysis Tool. Is that all? Nope. We're also the fastest growing and highest rated premium online educational platform that combines university level trading and investing courses with premium stock market tools, live workshops, individual mentorship and coaching for stocks, options, crypto, and futures, all styles of trading, day trading, swing trading. We also cover long-term investing. There's literally something for everybody at True Trading Group. But at TTG, you guys are going to gain immediate annual access to around $15,000 worth of education tools and resources that have helped literally thousands of TTG members to make money and become better traders and investors, no matter the time that they have, no matter how experienced they are, or how much that they have to start with. The annual membership to True Trading Group, it's an all-inclusive one. It costs normally around $2,212. It includes comprehensive education, which is a simplified version of the training program that I received when I worked at the fund in New York. Okay. There are a market education foundation course for beginners. There's chart patterns to help you master stock chart analysis, introduction to technical indicators. You're going to get a mastering the art of short selling and how to control risk with short selling setups, swing trading foundation course. That's for people that are really busy with those full-time jobs. 82% of our members, 10,000 of them in 115 different countries, 82% of them have a full-time job. Okay, they're not sitting in front of the computers all day, every day. If you guys are busy with a full-time job, you can do this. We'll teach you guys with that swing trading. You also get advanced options training. You want to learn multi-leg options trading, a stock market crash course. You guys can make money when markets actually go down, futures trading, options trading, crypto. There's even a tax course, right? There's even a course that helps you guys do your taxes. You have the trader psychology course, which is my personal favorite. Guys, in order to be a good trader, it's all about here. It's all about 80% of trading is mental. It's not about charts. It's not about predicting the future. It's about controlling your emotions. And if you guys can do that, you're going to put yourself in a much better position for profitability. And then you got our 101 course, TTD 101, help you guys everything that you need to maximize your benefits with the TTD platform. There are so many tools, so many resources. Go through that TTD 101 course to make sure that you are fully aware of all of the benefits that are available to you. Okay. You're going to get also, obviously, from our expert moderators. You're going to get swing trading, day trading, options, futures, scalping, long-term investing. We cover it all at TTG, guys. There are 8 professional full-time trading moderators that are with you each and every single day, from pre-market into the close, answering questions, calling out their trades. You guys are going to be able to have access to each and every single one of them every single day. The tools included in our platform are TradingView's charting software, real-time data from Quote Media, Benzinga Pro's real-time news feed, a simulator, unusual options activity, dark pool data, short data, customized scanners, our AI trading assistant, the supportive community, access to our video library that has over 1,000 hours of workshops. All of this is included when you join TTG, of course, along with transparency and trustworthiness, because daily submissions from all of the moderators at True Trading Group from their brokerage accounts for our pro traders with a cumulative win rate of just around 80%, now going on roughly the last 4 years on all of our executions. 78% retention rate amongst our members. That means 78% of our members have either become lifetime members of the community or they have renewed their annual membership. And we have a refund rate that's just under 2.5% at True Trading Group. Double your money back guarantee also to back up everything that I claim and say on this YouTube channel. I'm dead serious. If you guys are unable to make enough money, to make enough winning trades rather, that add up to your membership cost, we'll give you guys not just your membership fee back, we're going to give you back double. I just ask that you go through our courses, pass our quizzes, attend the study group, and actually use the platform that you are subscribing to. And if you're unable to make enough winning trades to equal that membership fee at least one time during your membership, you can't do that at least one time, then that means we wasted your time. And that means we should be giving you guys, double your money back instead of just giving your money back because we did waste your time. And that means that True Trading Group did not work for you. And with that being said, our refund rate is less than 2.5%. All right. So why should you listen to any of the stuff that it is that I talk about on this channel? It's because I didn't figure this out on my own. I began my career working at T3 Alpha Fund, my first job out of college in New York City, where they had me go through a training program before they ever let me touch a single dollar of the fund's money. And then 2008 happened. And that was the Great Recession, the big stock market crash. But it was the same year that I received one of the firm's Trader of the Year awards. Now I'm the co-founder and head trader of TTG, and along with my team of 8 professional mods and over 30-person staff, we've helped thousands of members from all over the world to reach their goals. So if you're ready to learn, trade, and profit for real, you folks have all come to the right place. 6 nights a week, Sunday through Friday, we go live right here on this channel where myself, other mods, and special guests will drop golden nuggets for you, give you some free education lessons that can help you guys become better traders. So if you've not yet done so, make sure you smash that like button and show some love. Subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications. Make sure you guys never miss out on any of these live streams because I'm dropping golden nuggets on a regular basis. You guys have to realize I'm not a Monday morning quarterback. I don't come on this YouTube channel and tell you, hey, this is what I did today. Hey, this is what I did yesterday. I come on here and I tell you, hey guys, this is what I plan on doing tomorrow. All right. I give you my analysis. I give you my ideas. Literally just last night, I gave you some of my top trade ideas for the week. One of my top trade ideas for the week was Coinbase for the long. That is exactly where I focused today. It's exactly where I made my money today. Full disclosure, I'm still long about 20 to 25% of that position. I will look for opportunities, but full disclosure, I am still long about 20 to 25% of the Coinbase position. And we will talk about the Coinbase trade as that was a big win for members inside True Trading Group. A big day all around. Another big win today, trade executed by Andrea Weber, Uni, one of our other mods, ARM. ARM was a couple 100% gainer today on the call option. I think she got into that trade right when that stock was around $117. And now ARM pumped all the way to 126 today. So that was a huge win for members as well. I didn't trade ARM, full disclosure. I traded Coinbase. And I'm still long about 20 to 25% of that position for those that are following along. Congratulations, all the members of TTG that were able to capitalize on and make money on that Coinbase trade with me. But before we get into the charts, before we kind of get into, what my analysis is with Coinbase going forward, where can I potentially reload? Where's my stop? Where's my next take profits? Before I get into all of that stuff, I think that we've got to have I think we've got to have just a kind of an open conversation here about the market environment that we find ourselves in. Because, I come on this YouTube channel every single day. I do this 6 days a week, and I feel like a broken record. I really do sometimes. Sometimes I come on these live streams, and I'm like, guys, I don't know how many more times I need to tell you that this is the greatest trading environment that I've ever seen. I've been doing this for 18 years. Now, we have people that are part of True Trading Group that have been trading even longer, 25 years, 30 years. Okay, some of them make me look like a total rookie. Okay, 30 years, 25 years of Wall Street experience. Former market maker. Okay, that's Gio, former market maker, one of our professional trading mods. Been trading for over 25 years. I think he's actually pushing 30 years, to be honest. Gio, hey yo, I know you're on the stream. What's up, brother? But yeah, I've never seen an environment like this. You guys didn't realize. You ever heard the term follow the money? Follow the money, right? Well, that came from somewhere, because you used to have to try to find where the opportunity was in the market. You used to have to follow the institutional money, right? To identify where are the professionals transacting? Where are they? Are they in tech? Are they in energy? Are they in healthcare? Where are they, right? You don't have to do that anymore. It doesn't matter where you're looking. Everything is moving. I don't care if you're looking at EV stocks, solar stocks, bank stocks, AI stocks, software stocks, crypto stocks. I don't care what meme stocks. I don't care where you're looking. There are opportunities in every single sector, corner, nook, and cranny of this market. It is the absolute perfect environment for you to get involved. I think maybe sometimes people mistake when I say, this is the best time for you guys to get involved in the markets. I think they think that I'm saying this is the time at all-time highs. You should just pile everything into the stock market and invest at all-time highs. That's not what I'm saying to you. What I'm saying to you is I pray that I had the chance to take the knowledge and experience that I have now and start in this environment. In this environment. Now, I got thrown right into the lion's den because when I first graduated college, very shortly after that, 2008 happened. And that was the craziest market environment that we had seen since probably the crash in the 80s, right? Even the dot-com bubble wasn't as severe as 2008 because 2008 happened a lot quicker. The dot-com bubble popped over like a 2-year span. All hell broke loose from like September to March, from 08 to 09. It was brutal, but it was a lot of fun. It was a lot of fun to trade it. COVID was a lot like that. COVID was a lot of fun to trade. 2022 was a lot of fun to trade. 21 was a lot of fun to trade. Hell, 23 is a lot of fun to trade, and so is 2024. The point that I'm making is that there's a lot of people out there that think that day trading is the only way for people to make money in the markets. That's not necessarily true. I know day trading was the sexy buzzword during COVID, right? Because everybody was home. And then people went back to work. And so many people got a slight little taste of the potential opportunities that the markets could provide to them, whether it's building a long-term portfolio and generating wealth, or just supplementing your income and making some extra bucks every couple months. Okay, while you guys are, trying to not worry about paying the mortgage, not worrying about the price of gas, not worrying about the price of eggs or anything else, right? So there's other ways for you to make money in the markets. You don't have to be sitting in front of your computer screen all day long. We have 10,000 members in True Trading Group from 115 different countries. Do you have any idea how many different time zones that is? A lot. So if they can do this, then why can't you? I don't want to hear the excuses. Oh, but I'm busy. We have people that are members of True Trading Group that are truck drivers that are on the road for 14 hours at a time. If they can do this, then so can you. We have firefighters, we have police officers, we have teachers, we have doctors, we have lawyers, we have mechanics, we have barbers, we have IT professionals, we have entrepreneurs and everything in between. We have students, we have military members and everything in between. And if they can do this, then so can you. You don't have to be in front of your computer all day, every day. 82% of them have full-time jobs. 82% of the 10,000 work over 40 hours a week. So if they can do this, then why can't you? And when I say, listen to me, Rick, when I say they can do this, when I'm saying they can do this, I mean they can make money, and they are making money. Not just because I say that, I'm not just because I say it on a YouTube stream doesn't make it true. I say that because this is what our members actually tell us. So members of True Trading Group, do me a favor. I'm going to ask you a question here. If you guys are making money and you are working a full-time job, do me a favor, type the number 1 inside of chat right now, and then tell me what you do for a living. Again, members of True Trading Group, if you are making money while working a full-time job, type the number 1, tell me what you do for a living. Anybody that's on this YouTube channel, we might have some new viewers that are here. I was just over on Trader TV Live's Market Recap with Sean and Derek. Great show. Thanks for having me. Anyone that's tuning in from the Trader TV Live channel, welcome. Glad to have you here. But members, go ahead right now and type the number 1 if you're making money. If you're doing it with a full-time job, tell me what you actually do for a living. There you go. There's a truck driver. My boy Trub88. I'm a truck driver and I still had time. I still had time to have the TT chat on and trade. It's easier than you think. Ritesh, restaurant, electrician, bus painter, medical sales, small business owner, IT consultants, locomotive engineer, project management, baker, disabled combat veteran, OBX Alvarez. Thank you so much for your service. Thank you so much for your sacrifice from the bottom of my heart. Barber, real estate, right? I used to do marketing after TTG, decided to become a full-time trader, never looking back. Luis Garcia, I hope you're doing well, brother. Trier loyal, restaurant owner, nanny, right? You guys can see all of these people that have a full-time job. You're seeing what they do for a living. If they can do this, if they're telling you, hey, I'm making money while doing this, then what is your excuse? There's no difference between you and them. They're not luckier than you. They don't have more time than you. They don't have more experience than you. They don't have more money than you. All they have is access to a professional level of education and training. They have guidance from 8 professional full-time traders that do this for a living. They have some of the best damn tools and resources available to them in the industry. And they take it seriously. They take it seriously. If you're serious about this, we are serious about having you. We maintain a very tight-knit, close community at True Trading Group. We run a no-nonsense type of chat room. There are thousands of people on our platform at any given moment during the day that are focused on one goal: make money. That's it. We don't tolerate people that are going to come in and be distracting and spam and, be disruptive and distract from that goal of making money. Because at the end of the day, that's why we are all here. You're not here necessarily to make friends. You're not here because you're a Yankee fan like I am. You're here because you want to figure out how the hell you can consistently turn a profit in the markets. You got a taste of it during the COVID meme cycle. You see people post their gains on social media. You know it's possible. You even maybe had a taste of those profits over the last couple of years, and you want to know how to do it on a bigger scale and more consistently. That is why you're here. That is why True Trading Group exists. It is why we have a 78% retention rate, because our members make money. 78% of our members have either become lifetime members or they have renewed their annual membership. Guys, type the number 2. Now, members of True Trading Group, type the number 2. If you are a lifetime member or you've renewed your annual membership, go ahead and type the number 2 in chat right now. And for the rest of the people that are on this stream that are not yet members of the community, that are not yet part of the TeachD family, I want you to pay very close attention to how many people you see type the number 2 on this side of the screen. And then I want you to ask yourself, why in God's name would these people become lifetime members of our platform? Why would they renew their annual membership unless they were having success? If you join True Trading Group, you learn nothing, you made no money, are you going to renew your membership? Are you going to become a lifetime member, which would cost you thousands of dollars? I think not. So then why did all these people? The answer is simple. I showed it to you before. Our members are making money and they're becoming better traders. Not all of them. We don't have a 100% success rate. That's not possible. I wish it was. We still have some members that struggle, but we hold red to green workshops the first Wednesday of every month so that any member that is struggling can submit questions and topics to us. And some of our professional traders will host a live, totally free workshop covering those topics for any member that is still struggling. We call those red to green workshops. We don't leave you behind. Okay. So now I'm interested to see just how many people are on the live right now. I'm curious. How many of you are not members of True Trading Group? Do me a favor, guys. If you're not a member, go ahead and type the letters TTG. Go ahead and type the letters TTG if you're not a member. I want to show you something. I want to show you guys something really cool. All right. So again, I want to show you something, but in order for me to do that, I need to know who here is not a member. So go ahead and type the letters TTG if you're not a member. I want to show you guys something. So go ahead and type TTG, please. Okay, we got Michael, Marcin, A. Saba, Bellin, Raghavendra. I don't know if I pronounced that right. I hope I did. Monty, what's up? Yelena. Pretty name. Very pretty name, Yelena. Or Yelena. I'm going to say Yelena. Yessie, Jimenez, what's up? Okay, good. So we have a lot of new faces that are with us here today that are not members of the community. Perfect. Here's what I'm going to show you. Okay. Oh, wow. Michael Aramis, I've been following you guys since COVID started. Well, Michael, it's time that you stop just following on the YouTube channel. I don't know if you're a member. If you are a member, that comment makes me think you're not a member. If you are, I apologize. But it's time for you to join the family full time, brother. Michael, it's time. It's time. Right? And everyone else that's typing TTG, it's time for you as well. And I'm going to show you something. And then I want you to think, would you be able to make money from what I'm about to show you? Because like I said, I'm not a Monday morning quarterback. I come on this YouTube channel. I tell everybody, this is how I plan on making money. I tell you the prices. I tell you my expectations. I tell you exactly what I'm going to do. And if I'm right, fantastic. I'll come on here and I say, yay, great. Hope you guys made money too. If I'm wrong, I say, oh man, okay, I was wrong on that one. And let's talk about what happened. Let's talk about why I was wrong, because I'm wrong. I make red trades. I have red days. I'm a human being. I'm not telling you to join True Trading Group because I have a 100% win rate. I do not. Nobody does. Being a good trader is not just about making money on the trades that you're right. It's about controlling your losses on the instances that you are wrong. No trader can predict the future, including myself. I wish that were the case. If it was, I'd be a trillionaire. I'm not a trillionaire. I can't predict the future. No trader can predict the future. All we can do is identify probability, pattern recognition. When I see this setup, when I see this scenario, when these stars align, maybe 70, 75% of the time, the stock does this. Okay, when I see that, I'm going to put myself in that position. And the 25 or 30% of the time that it just simply doesn't work for whatever the reason, I'm going to stop out. I'm going to control my loss. I'm going to make sure that when I lose, it's a small amount. But when I make, and when I'm right, I'm going to make sure that I double, triple what it is that I'm losing on the instances that I am wrong. That is the key to consistent profitability. It's not predicting the future. We will teach you how to implement all of this into your trading once you guys become members of True Trading Group. But I digress. I want to take you back to last night's live stream. I come on every Sunday evening. Yesterday was Monday evening because of the holiday. But every Sunday evening, I come on this YouTube channel and I tell you exactly how I plan on making money for the week. So I grabbed a quick little video clip from last night's live stream. It's right here on this YouTube channel. If you don't believe me, it's right here on this YouTube channel. I'm going to show you the clip, but it's here from yesterday's live. You can go check it out for yourself. But I go through and I break down my analysis on Coinbase. And I tell you exactly what I think Coinbase is going to do. I tell you what I'm going to look for specifically. And I tell you how I'm going to enter the position and where I'm going to enter the position. Okay? And for those of you that are not members, I want you to think, would you have been able to make money from what I said to you last night? Now, even if you weren't a member of True Trading Group, you could have taken what I said last night and you could have implemented it in your trading today. But even better, if you were a member of True Trading Group, you would have had me live talking to you on the microphone, sharing my screen, telling you, hey guys, this is what I'm looking for. This is the price I'm getting in at. This is my entry. This is my order. This is where I'm taking profit. And you would know the exact second that I enter my position, because once our moderators' orders execute, you get a real-time push notification letting you know that we're in a position. And then when we exit, you also get a real-time push notification letting you know that we have exited our position, or we're taking profit. We're still holding some, whatever it is. You are notified every time a transaction is executed. So let's go ahead and play the clip. Again, this is from last night's live stream. It is my analysis on Coinbase. Then what I will look for is for Coinbase to pull in off the open to 236 or so, 237, whatever, and then hold and push. Okay, we're going to look for Coinbase to hold that level and then push. We're going to keep a very close eye on Bitcoin. Okay, there's two resistance levels I see on Coinbase, two of them. One is right here in the low 260s, and the other is all the way up there, 280. Now, I don't know if we're going to get to 280 here this week. I don't know if that's even a realistic target for us this week, but the low 260s, I think, are. So the low 260s are going to be my target. We're going to look for a gap above 238, pull into 237 zone. And again, Coinbase is very volatile. You can pull all the way back to 234. Coinbase is volatile, right? These support and resistance levels are wide. So you could pull this back all the way to 234 and still perfectly still be in play. So let's watch for a bottoming pattern intraday. So I'm going to look for Coinbase. If Coinbase gaps up, I'm going to look for a pullback off the open and then some type of a bottoming pattern. I want to see like a real big bottoming hammer tail. I want to see maybe a double bottom. I want to see a bottoming pattern, maybe new low, new high. I want to see something that tells me that the stock is bottomed out in those mid 230s. And then we can get long. We can look for the break back through that level and then the extension. Okay. You all heard exactly what I said. KB, I'm speaking to you specifically because KB said I haven't said anything yet. Well, I hope your ears are open now, KB. Okay. You just heard me tell you on last night's live stream that I'm looking for a pullback in Coinbase off the open. And then I'm looking for some type of bottoming pattern. And bottoming pattern is exactly what we got today. And we got, not only did we get the break of that level to the upside, but we also got the extension, the follow through in the afternoon session. So I'm going to take you back to the daily chart. Oh, let me pull up my charts. I'm sorry, guys. I just realized I don't have my charts up. Let me pull up my charts. Sorry about that. Let me pull them up. All right, there we go. Sorry about the charts. So here you guys can see the bottoming pattern. We said I'm looking for Coinbase to pull back off the open and then form a bottoming pattern, which is exactly what this is. We'll talk more in detail about this in a moment. We got the break through the level, and then we got the extension through the level, which is exactly verbatim what you heard me say on last night's live stream. KB, I hope you're paying attention. It's exactly what you heard me say on last night's live stream. But why am I looking for those at that area in the 230s? Why am I looking for that to be support? The answer is their answer lies within this 50-day moving average. So here is this dark blue line that you see on my screen. Now the support zone, okay, the support zone here, and I'll draw it out for you, is right here. This is your support zone. Support and resistance levels are not finite prices. KB, I hope you're paying attention. Support and resistance levels are not finite prices. They are areas. They are zones. Okay. Now, the more volatile the stock, the wider that zone is going to be. It's on us as traders to identify how wide that support or resistance level actually is. So when I see this support, this support level that used to be resistance, right? You can see here very clearly, right? Resistance, resistance, resistance. Okay. It's very clear that that was a level of resistance. And prior to that, it was a level of support. Okay. So prior support, then it's resistance. Now I'm looking for that to start to become support. And at the bottom of that is the dark blue line, which is the 50-day moving average. KB, I hope you're paying attention. Is the 50-day moving average right down here at the bottom end of that level. So I'm looking for a bottoming pattern intraday that confirms the support level that I see on the daily chart. Okay, so here's the level I see on the daily chart. So now, if that's the level, let's draw a line across it, right? There it is. Okay, let's just draw it on the screen. Okay, so this is the, you know what, let me just draw the full so it's straight. Okay, so there's the level, right? So there's the level. All right, well, now let's go to a 3-minute chart and let's look intraday. Well, wouldn't you know, look at where that line lines up. Look at this. So I said to you on last night's live stream, I'm looking for Coinbase to pull in off the open and then form a bottoming pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4 bottoms against that support level. But it's not just that you got to this price 4 times that gives you the bottoming pattern. It's the actual price action that is the bottoming pattern. What is the price action specifically? Well, it is the failure to take out the new low. So here you can see you had a low of the day get put in. And then right here, you actually broke the low of the day. And if the stock was weak, you typically would see the new low of the day break and give you follow through downside and follow through weakness. Okay. It's showing you that there is not enough selling pressure to take you through that level. And you immediately engulf that prior low. So you see how you immediately engulfed the prior low. So it's an actual new low. The new low was printed, but you engulfed it back to the upside. That is a sign of weak selling pressure. Then on the top of the engulfing candle, which is what this price action was, you got a hammer tail. You dropped into the support and then you got a beautiful reversal hammer tail. And that was all I needed. Once I saw that hammer tail, I said, that's it. I'm in. That's my signal. And I got long Coinbase literally right there. Right there, just above 234. I am long Coinbase. I called out to members, if they want to follow me on the trade, look for Friday's expiration, 240 strike call. Those options were what, 450 or so, $5, whatever they were. They went all the way to $11 today. Or were they $6? I forgot. I don't know what they were. I bought the equity. I'm not sure what the price of the options were at the time of entry, but those options went all the way. I think they went even higher than that. Where'd they actually go to today? Let me see. 1140. Okay. 1140 was where those options went to today. And I just started taking profits off into the move. So we got profits off there in front of the high. We got more profits off when we broke through the high here. And we just started taking profits off on the position. And then later in the afternoon, we got another beautiful extension follow through. And we took more profits off right there, right before the close. So it was the entry. Oh, I actually took another piece of profit off here. So it's 4 take profits for me so far today. There was the entry. 1, 2, 3, 4 takes. And those were the take profits on the day. And I'm still long 20 to 25% of the position. But you heard me say it on last night's live stream verbatim. Pull back off the open, bottoming pattern in the low to mid 230s, and then break that resistance and give you the extension. It is exactly what the stock did today. So everyone that just typed TTG, you really have to ask yourself, is that analysis enough to help you make money? Plain and simple. And if you're unsure if that analysis is enough to help you make money, let me help you. Members of True Trading Group, is the analysis at TTG, has it helped you make money? Has it helped you become better traders? If that answer is yes, type the number 1. If you are a member of True Trading Group and you are making money, you're becoming better traders, type the number 1 in chat right now. And anybody on here that's not a member, you should pay very close attention to how many people you see type the number 1, because these are your friends, your family members, and your coworkers. And if they can do this, so can you. 65% gain for, what's the username on this one? Oh, there's too many number 1s coming through. Chong Trades, 65% gain for Chong Trades. Look at this. Every day, says Rip City Trader. Thanks, Mike. Beautiful trade. Look at all these people typing the number 1. These are not bots. These are real people. So now you need to ask yourself, would you have been able to make money from that analysis? Now, that's just what I showed you on YouTube. Imagine if you were inside of our platform live, looking at my screen, hearing my voice, getting a push notification the moment I enter the position. Are you able to do that? Seriously, think about it. Ask yourself, because all these people are. And I don't see why they'd be able to and why you wouldn't. So here's what I'm going to say. All of you that are here right now that are not members of True Trading Group, we have a handful of laptops remaining. What I'm going to tell you to do right now is, yes, we have free laptops. I kind of just slipped that out like it was nonchalant. But yes, we have free laptops for people that are joining the family here this evening. Okay? All you need to do, go to ttgoffer.com. Simple. ttgoffer.com. Everything on that page that you see, it is included with your membership. Now, the membership is normally $2,212. However, for the next 15 people, you will get a 57% discount, which drops the price down to just $950 for the entire year. There is no upsell for anything you see on that page. All of the items on ttgoffer.com are included at no additional charge, no extra fee. for $950 for the entire year. And the next 15 people to join, not only do you get 57% off, you also get a brand new Asus VivoBook laptop. It's a 15.6 size laptop. It's got the AMD Ryzen GPU. It comes with Windows 11. I mean, this is a beautiful laptop. You guys are getting it totally for free. Use it for work. Use it to trade with. Give it to your kid for school. Sell it on eBay. I don't care what you do with it. It's our gift to you. We cover the shipping costs. We ship anywhere in the world. Don't worry if you don't live in the U.S. We have members in 115 countries. Wherever you live, as long as it's on Earth, I'll get you guys that laptop. All you need to do is go to ttgoffer.com. Everything on that page is included. You get all of our real-time trade alerts, stocks, options, crypto, day trading, swing trading, long-term portfolio, all of this stuff. You guys are going to get those notifications. Our entire 22-course curriculum, which is a simplified and expanded upon version of the training program that I went through when I worked at the fund in New York. You're also going to be getting Benzinga Pro's real-time news feed. Right? TradingView's premium charting software, the Trade Ideas scanner streams on our platform for you guys to use, access to our trading chat room, 2 private study group sessions to help speed up your learning curve totally for free. Our AI-powered trading and investing assistant, over 1,000 hours of a video library, on-demand topics, whatever you guys are looking for, it is there. You can also attend these workshops now live when you become a full-time member. You got the premium blog. You get to play, you get to hang out with all the moderators, all the diverse trading styles, our simulator, dark pool data, unusual options activity, options flow, short data, custom scanners, our mobile app that is crucial for those of you that work full-time jobs. Remember, 82% of our members work full-time jobs. That mobile app is important. All right. And then, of course, the double your money back guarantee. I don't think you need it, but it's there for peace of mind. We have a 78% retention rate. Okay. We have a refund rate that's just under 2.5%. We're 4.7 out of 5-star rated on Trustpilot with over 2,500 reviews over the last 4 or 5 years. All of this is included when you join True Trading Group right here, right now, for 57% off. The price is normally $2,212. It's $950 tonight, but you get the free laptop with it. And that double your money back guarantee means if you're unable to make enough winning trades to equal the $950 membership fee, that means we're going to give you back $1,900, not $950. We're going to give you back $1,900. You just have to go through our courses, pass the quizzes, attend a study group, and use the platform you're subscribing to. If you are unable to make enough winning trades to equal the $950 at least one time, then we're going to give you back $1,900. That's the double your money back guarantee that we offer at True Trading, and you can keep the laptop. You don't have to return it. It's yours. Keep it. The double your money back guarantee is right on the checkout page. It is in black and white. Go read it. It's right there. Read it. I talk a big game on these live streams. I get it. I know I do, but I back it up. We back it up with our own money. That is how we prove it to you. I don't think you need it, considering our refund rate is less than 2.5%, but it gives you peace of mind and allows you to hold us accountable for the platform. If you have any questions at all, do not hesitate. Send us a text message, 1-888-306-8783. We are fully transparent. We are an open book. Any questions that you want to know, 1-888-306-8783. Also, if you used to be a member or you used to be a trial member and you guys want to come back, you have to text us. Otherwise, you're not going to get the laptop with a $950 price point. If you used to be a member, used to be a trial, it's more expensive for you and there's no laptop. So if you want the laptop and you want the $950 cheap price point, you have to send a text message to 1-888-306-8783. Am I tripping? Says A Sabah. Free laptop. What type? You are not tripping. Guys, do we or do we not actually send out free laptops? Yes or no? Members, go ahead and comment yes or no. A Sabah, here, this is the laptop that you're going to be getting. It's for the next 15 people to join. It's an Asus VivoBook, AMD processor, 15.6-inch, Microsoft Home. That's the exact laptop. It's right there on your screen. Okay? It's right there, but we only have 15 of them. So it's only available for the next 15 people. How do you know you're one of the 15? Great question. So when you go to ttgoffer.com, see that laptop icon right there in the checkout cart? If you see that, you're getting one. If you don't see it, that means we have sold out. Sorry. All right. So there's 15 spots available, 15 laptops, but that also means once those 15 spots go, that $950 price point also jumps. So if you guys want to lock in the 57% discount, which would also become your new renewal price, you're grandfathering yourself in at that price. You're locking in your membership at $950. So even next year, if our membership's $2,200, it doesn't matter because you'll only have to pay $950 to renew. And I'm confident you're going to want to do so because, again, 78% of our members do. So, folks, go to ttgoffer.com. Everything on that page is included, no additional cost for the $950. And you got the brand new free laptop. Take advantage of it. Again, we cover shipping. We ship anywhere in the world. Any questions, text us 1-888-306-8783. All right. All right, folks, let's take things on back on over to the charts. And let's kind of run through this Coinbase trade, right? Let's kind of run through Coinbase. Oh, guys, we also do have a financing option. I forgot to mention the financing option. So we do accept Klarna, Afterpay, and PayPal credit. So those are payment options at checkout if you guys would like to use Klarna, Afterpay, or PayPal credit. All right, so we do accept those financing options, okay? We do accept those financing options. All right, so there you go. All right, so let's go back to the chart so we can hit on this Coinbase trade. And let me just show you kind of what I'm thinking. All right, just want to show you what I'm thinking because this is a position that I'm currently in. But again, full disclosure, I'm only in about 20 to 25% of the position. I took profit off 4 times today on this trade. All right, so but I'm still in it. And if I reload it, I'll let you guys know. Right? Of course, let you guys know if I reload it. But here's the level. 1, 2. Resistance, resistance, resistance. And now we are trying to break above it. Nice, good volume day today on the stock. So now what I'm looking for is, see this level? I want this level to be support now. I want this level to be support now. Okay? I want it to be support. And my target is right there. Okay? So we're looking for this. All right? We're looking for this on Coinbase. All right? But again, I'm only in 20 to 25% of the position. So if there is an opportunity for me to reload, we'll certainly check it out. I do not want to see the stock get back beneath this 236 level. Now that we broke above it and we closed above it, that level has been what I call cleared out. So now that level's been cleared out, I'm looking for follow through, right? We got to keep eyes on Bitcoin. Bitcoin, had a little bit of a pullback from yesterday into today, but pushed into the close. So we're going to keep an eye on that. Obviously, I don't know if Coinbase can make that run if Bitcoin goes down. So we got to pay attention to that. But there's no way we can lose on this trade. There's no way we cannot make money on the trade with all the profit we took off today. Now we're holding on to more. We're holding on to a piece to see if we can get a little bit more out of this trade and out of this position. All right. So there we have it. And honestly, like the bigger picture on this one, and I'll delete all that. The bigger picture too on this one is just a really, really nice test and hold of this support level off of a really clean downtrend resistance line break is honestly what this is. This used to be a level of support, right? Here's resistance, there's support. And then you dropped back into that level and you found support there again. And the 100-day moving average, which is this pink line you see on my screen, the 100-day moving average came into play and gave you an added layer of support. And then here comes this downtrend resistance line to give this little descending triangle pattern. And then you broke through that on the 20th. Once you broke through that on the 20th, that's it. Now you broke out. Now here comes the pullback and you were able to hold the breakout point. Right? You were able to hold the breakout point as support, establish a higher low, and then now the uptrend can continue. And that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for this uptrend to continue. I'm looking for us to get into the 250s this week. My eventual target is like the low 260s. We'll see if we get there. Right? We'll see if we get there. But that's kind of what I'm thinking about on the trade. And I'm going to try to hold on for that bigger move, but already a beautiful trade for us inside of True Trading Group. NVIDIA. What do we do with this stock? What do you do? I get so many questions about this, about what should I do? Should I buy it now? Should I wait? Guys, I know it's hard to see the stock just continuously going higher, but I'm not buying the stock. I mean, I already own a lot of it, but I'm not adding to the position here. So if I'm not willing to buy it myself, then I can never with a straight face suggest anybody else do so. I almost just kind of feel like you gotta just at this point sit back, let the train leave the station, and then just wait for a meaningful pullback off of the highs. When does that happen? I don't know. I wish I had the answer for you. But if you get a 20, 25% pullback in the name, whether it's next month, next quarter, next year, I don't know, you gotta step in and start taking advantage of that move to the downside, because nothing goes up in a straight line, right? Like, you're going to get pullbacks. You had a pullback in April. You know, this stock pulled back $200 in April. You went from $950 to $750. You could have bought it then. You know, people were asking, hey, you know, should I buy it at $950? Well, the stock went all the way down to $750. So why didn't you buy it then? Now the stock's at $1150. So at some point you'll get a pullback. You know, maybe at some point this thing goes back to $950. I don't know. But I don't like buying stocks as they have these massive extension breakouts to new all-time highs. I like to buy pullbacks on names. I just think at this point you just have to hold it. If you own it, try not to get too cute. The stock is a stone throw away from overtaking Apple as the second biggest company on the exchange. We have to welcome Enrique, guys. Enrique, welcome. There's 14 of those laptops remaining. Everybody welcome Enrique. Okay, everybody welcome Enrique. There are 14 spots remaining. Enrique just joined the group, so everybody welcome Enrique. Guys, remember, just go to ttgoffer.com, right? You see a laptop, you're getting one. It's very simple. The W money back guarantee is there as well. And any questions, you just text us, 1-888-306-8783. Okay? But here's the other thing. So here's why I just can't bring myself to buying NVIDIA here. NVIDIA is $2.8 trillion market cap, a couple $100 billion or so off of Apple. Think about that. Okay? Think about that. NVIDIA is almost as big as Apple. Rashida, we have to welcome Rashida. Welcome to the family. Now there's only 13 spots left. Okay, there's only 13 of these laptops remaining, and then also the price goes up at that point as well. So Rashida, welcome. Again, hey, if you guys used to be trial members or you used to be members, you want to come back, you're more than welcome. But you have to text us so we can give you the cheaper price with the laptop. Otherwise, you're going to pay a higher price. So text us at 1-888-306-8783. Any questions that you guys have, any concerns, we're an open book, fully transparent, answer anything that you guys want to know. Here's the kicker when it comes to NVIDIA. This is going to blow your freaking mind. This next sentence is going to blow your mind. It doesn't seem real. Somebody sent me this. I have to actually go do the math because I need to see what the actual number is. But somebody sent me that NVIDIA is now worth more than Meta, Tesla, Netflix, AMD, Intel, and IBM combined. Let me say that one more time. Okay. I have to check the math on this because somebody just sent me this just right before I was coming on the live stream. So I have to check the math. I need to see what the number actually is. But Meta, Tesla, Netflix, AMD, Intel, IBM combined. Now, that doesn't even seem possible. It doesn't even seem real. It doesn't even seem real. So I've got to go do that math myself. Okay, I got to go do that math. But point being, if you own it, enjoy it. We own it in True Trading Group. We've owned it for years. We've added to it multiple years going back to 2020. We bought it in 2020. We added to it in 22 and again in 23. So if you own it, congratulations. If you don't, I know it sucks, but I think at this point, you've got to just kind of wait for some type of a meaningful pullback as this move is getting a little ridiculous. The move was ridiculous at 950. It's more ridiculous at 1150. I don't think that you should try, calling the tops. I don't think that you should, try to short the thing. I just listen. If you own it, be happy you own it, and just hold on to it, man. Okay. All right. Yep, they got the stock split coming. They got the stock split coming. All right, the 10-for-1 split. So in June, was it June 6th or 7th? 6th or 7th. I forgot. It was either the 6th or the 7th in June, where the 10-for-1 split's going to go into effect. And instead of being $1,145, it'll be $114.50. All right. But you have to remember, just because that brings the price down, that doesn't change anything at all. The market cap doesn't change, whether the stock is overbought or if the stock is overbought or if it's undervalued, overvalued, none of that changes. It's literally just the structure of the shares. So don't think, but they're going to do a stock split and then therefore the price is going to come down. No, it will still have a $2.8 trillion market cap at $114. Okay, everything will be the same. So some people don't understand what a stock split actually means. Okay, so if you own shares of NVIDIA, you're about to get 10 times those amount. So if you own 100 shares, you now are going to own 1,000. All right. But it'll be cheap. Yeah, exactly. Smooth brain. It'll be cheaper for people to trade because not many people trade the equity. Not many retail traders trade the equity just because it's so expensive. And then the options are insanely expensive. What are the options? 30, 40, 50 bucks a contract. They're very expensive. So when the stock split happens, it'll be more affordable for people to trade and the options will be a lot less expensive too. Okay. It'll be a lot less expensive on the options side as well. Okay. The one thing that I will also tell you is if you believe in NVIDIA, right? And you believe in NVIDIA in the long run, and you think NVIDIA is going to be bigger in 10 years than it is today. Do you think that? I do. So what you've got to start to ask yourself is, do you have any idea how many times Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, Alphabet, Meta, do you have any idea how many times those stocks seemed overbought, seemed overvalued? And there could have been so many instances over the last 20 years that someone could have made a valid argument for selling their position and taking profit. The stock's up so much, right? And every single one of those instances would have been wrong. When it comes to your long-term portfolio, I like to, like I said, NVIDIA will maintain a permanent position in the long-term portfolio. You don't even have to ask me. 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, 5 years from now, you ask me, Mike, do you still own NVIDIA? The answer is yes. The answer is yes. Okay, there is no, I don't know. Even when the time comes, I did trim some of my position in March. I trimmed off about 15% of my position. I still own a lot of it. I own shares from $58, guys. That means I'm up 1,800% on those shares, right? When we were up about 1,500%, I just trimmed 15% of my position, and I used some of that money to fund some other positions that I was getting into. But I still own a lot of it. So I'm perfectly fine, obviously, just holding on to the position that I have, and just letting this thing rock. I'm just letting the thing rock. And there's members that own this stock with me as well. That was 2020. 2020, I was screaming from the rooftops, AMD, NVIDIA, AMD, NVIDIA, AMD, NVIDIA. When everybody would call my live streams in 2020, they're like, Mike, what do you think? What are you buying? What are you buying? Everyone's like, you buying Carnival Cruise Lines? No. You buying American Airlines? No. People ran and they bought the stuff. They bought stuff that was down, 70, 80% because they thought those were the stocks that were going to go up the most because they were down the most. That's not the way it works. When markets crash, the stocks that go down the most are down the most for a reason. You don't want to go and bottom barrel, the stocks that are down the most during the stock market crash. Understand what's happening when stock markets crash. When a stock market crashes, hedge fund managers are going to sell the positions they like the least first. And they're going to sell the positions they like the least the most. They're going to sell the positions they like the most last. And they're going to sell the positions they like the most the least aggressively. There's a reason why when the markets crashed during COVID, Apple only went down around 25% when the whole market went down 35%. And American Airlines went down 75%. There's a reason for that. Where's the growth prospect for American Airlines? Where is the growth prospect? You're just going to buy the stock because it's down a lot? That investment strategy is going to cause you to underperform the markets every year for the rest of your life if you're just going to buy stocks that are down the most. Because guess what? No matter how far down that stock goes, it can always go down lower. If it went from $100 to $1 and it's down 99%, you can still buy it at $1 and lose 50%. It can still go to 50 cents. Then you can buy it at 50 cents and it can still go to 25 cents and you can lose another 50%. It can still go lower. Don't buy stocks because they're down the most. Buy the stocks that are down of the companies that are the best. And NVIDIA and AMD are the best that I look at. NVIDIA, hands down. I think AMD has the potential to become similar to NVIDIA, but they're just a few years behind. And they're smaller and they weren't as aggressive with the AI, and NVIDIA is far superior in that department. But I believe AMD has a very bright future as well. I own a lot of AMD as well from much lower prices also. But these are stocks I'm going to own for a very long time. And just congratulations to all the members that were there with me in 2020. We bought it again in 2022. NVIDIA was down 60% in 2022. We bought it again. And thank God we did. Life-changing money. Life-changing opportunities for so many people that are part of True Trading Group, for so many people that are on this YouTube channel. How many of you own NVIDIA because of True Trading Group? Type the number 1 in chat right now. How many of you own NVIDIA because of True Trading Group? Type the number 1 in chat right now. And my goodness, if there is anybody on the stream that is still not a member of True Trading Group that just so happens to not own NVIDIA, then what you're about to see should be enough to cause you to go to ttgoffer.com and grab one of these spots before it is too late. Because if you were a member of True Trading Group, you'd also be typing the number 1, and you and your family could be in a very different financial situation with a stock that's up 1,800% from when you bought it. The price goes up after these 13 spots are gone, guys. The membership was $850 last night. It's $950 today. It's jumping over 1,000 tomorrow. You guys have to go to ttgoffer.com and grab one of these spots. There's 13 of them left. You see a laptop, you're getting one. It's as simple as that. Go to ttgoffer.com. Okay. You got the double your money back guarantee to give you peace of mind. But I honestly don't think you need it, considering 78% of our members renew or have become lifetime. And we have a refund rate that's less than 2.5%. So if you guys have any questions, don't hesitate. Text us 1-888-306-8783. When you pay for 1 year, do you get the full year, 365 days, or do you get until the end of the year? Jim's 9-1. Good question. It's the full year, brother. So you go date to date. So if you join today, May 28th, your membership's until May 28th, 2025. Okay? Yeah, I guess that's not really a good question. I'm sorry. I was trying to give you the benefit of the doubt there, Jim. But no, Jims, you get the full 365 days. So it goes from date to date of your sign up. You get the full year, 365 days. Okay. So again, ttgoffer.com, guys. Everything on that page is included. No additional fee for it. 57% off, double your money back guarantee, free laptop. It's all yours when you go to ttgoffer.com and grab one of those spots. All right. That's it, folks. Hope you guys enjoyed the stream. Hope you enjoyed the live. Oh, wait a second. Hold on a second here.
Yeah, sorry.
Just the giveaway, right?
Yeah. So here's what we'll do. We'll do the giveaway inside of the chat room right now. People are saying that you're saying 9 or you're saying 850 on the stream. He's not saying 850. He's saying 950. Trust me. He's saying 950. I don't think he said 850 once.
I only said 850 once when I said yesterday was 850. Today's 950. Tomorrow it's over 1,000.
Yeah, I don't understand.
That was the only time
text messages from people saying, yeah, I don't know where that's coming from, but
unless maybe they're talking about last night's live.
Unless they're watching last night's stream by mistake. All right, 1 second here. Tell people about the giveaway we're doing for people.
Yeah, so we're gonna do a really awesome, fun, and exciting giveaway. We're doing a free trip to Miami to come hang out in the TG headquarters and trade with the team. We're going to do that giveaway for members, obviously. Okay, we're going to do that for, that's for members. If you're not a member, then you're not going to win a trip to the Miami office. It's for TG members only. But so members, we're going to do that giveaway right inside of the main chat room. So all of our members, if you guys
I'm opening the main chat right now. It's not open yet, but I'm opening it right now.
Sweet. All right, so there you guys have it. So Adam's going to open up the main chat now.
Because it's already open.
Any member that wants a shot at a free trip to Miami, you guys head into the main chat for the giveaway with Adam, and good luck. Good luck. Free trip down to Miami. It's going to be a lot of fun. Nice little summer Miami, summer Miami weather. It's going to be cold. Bring a jacket. Sarcasm. Go into the main chat right now, members of Trading. Those of you that are not members, you can also go into the main chat, but you have to join first.
Well, then they wouldn't be non-members then.
I know. I'm saying non-members. You got to join first. You got to go to ttgoffer.com, join the family. Then you're more than welcome to head on into the main chat and hang out there and have some fun with Adam and the rest of the group. Paul Rodriguez missed the link. Paul Rodriguez, go to ttgoffer.com. Paul, that's ttgoffer.com. You got the 57% discount. You got the free laptop, the double your money back guarantee. And Paul, if you have any questions, just text us, 1-888-306-8783. Members, head on into the main chat, guys. And good luck. Good luck on the giveaway. Thanks for tuning in tonight. Hope you guys enjoyed the live. If you have not yet done so, make sure you smash that like button and show some love. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on your notifications. You don't ever want to miss out on any one of these live streams, guys. We're dropping golden nuggets on a regular basis. Congrats, everyone that caught the Coinbase trade with me today. Congrats on the ARM trade as well with Uni. That was a monster trade. I know Diane had some really great zero DTE trades too today, so some really great action. Congratulations to members. That's some good days. Tomorrow's a brand new day, brand new opportunities. We'll be right back at it tomorrow. Have a great night, folks. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. I'll see you guys all tomorrow. Members, head into main chat right now.